Hi guys, welcome to your Chapter 2, Lesson 10 notes on change expressed as a percent. Now remember that percent means out of 100. So percent is this little guy like that. By the end of the day, you will be able to find percent change. Now when I talk about percent change refers to an amount that can be dollars or height or anything, any amount of change that's expressed as a percent as the original amount. So check out this of right here. We'll say percent change is a percent of an original amount. Hopefully this is causing you to remember is of equals percent over 100. This is just a new way to look at this type of thing. So in this case, the change is a percent of our original amount. Okay. Sometimes we'll have change that's bigger than, it's greater than the original amount. We call this a percent increase because it's increasing, it's getting bigger. So when you gain something, that's percent increase. On the other hand, if the new amount is smaller than the original amount, we call this a percent decrease. Also, throughout this lesson, I will be throwing in random tangents just to see if you're paying attention, so make sure you listen closely. For example, I might ask you a question referring to what did my niece use to put holes in my Kleenex boxes, and that would be my earrings. I had left my earrings out and she just poked holes in my Kleenex box. So make sure you click earrings as the answer for the tissue box question. Write that down somewhere. So here we'll talk about percent change. So like we said, percent change, percent is a ratio. It's going to measure the change to the original amount. So that means the original is always going to go on the bottom. So we'll say percent change, whatever that is equal to the amount of increase, so basically the amount of change over, so increase or decrease, over the original amount. And I did not center that, but that's okay, I can change that real quick. Okay, so basically it's how much it changes over what it used to be. So if you wanted to find the increase means it got bigger. So you'll take whatever the new amount is, you'll subtract the original from it, and you'll do that all over what the original was. We'll do an example of that second. But then on the other hand, see if you can predict what is decrease going to be. If it goes down, we'll want to take the bigger one first, which is the original, and you'll subtract the new amount from that. That'll be how you find your change, and you'll put that all over your original amount. That'll be your percent. So let's do a decrease as an example and then an increase as an example. Okay, so let's say you have a sale. Now when you have a sale, that means the price goes down. Now you have the original price of the coat is $82 and the sale price is $74.50. So that means the price went down from $82 to $74.50. What is the discount expressed as a percent change? First you need to find what is the change. Now because we're working with decrease, we'll follow this example right here. Original minus new all over original. So what is our original price? Well, the original price was $82. 82. And then we'll subtract, I guess I should do it this way, over the original. We're going to subtract our new price, which is $74.50. We can do 74.5 because it's faster. All over our original price is still $82. So what we're doing here is we're finding how much it changes. This is going to be the change in price. what was the change from 82 down to 74.5? Well, that's a change of $7.50. That's 7.5 over 82. So our question here is saying, all right, 7.5 is what percent of 82? We can do our whole is over of, or we can just do that division right there, and that'll end up giving us 9%. I guess I should say. That'll give us 0.09, which is 9%. Excellent. But this isn't our final answer yet. We want to express our final answer as a complete sentence here. What is the discount expressed as a percent change? So we're going to write out the whole sentence. This discount is a 9% decrease. Ta-da! Since this is our answer, let's put it in a big old box or circle or highlight or something. This discount, you're better highlighters than I am. So this count is a 9% decrease. Excellent. So it's a 9% off. That's not a whole lot, is it? Shoot. Oh well. Okay, so that's how to find percent decrease. Decrease, you take your original amount, you subtract the new amount, and you find out, okay, what percent of the original amount was that? And to make this look better, I'm going to redo this real quick. So we took our original amount, subtracted our new amount, put it all over our original amount again. Excellent. For our next one, we're going to find percent increase because the price is going to go up. So we have a store buying an electric guitar. Maybe they like Led Zeppelin or something. Okay, for $295. The store then marks up the price of the guitar to $340. Maybe guitars got super popular or something. So what's our original price here? The original price is $295 because that's how much they bought it from. Maybe they bought it from the manufacturer or an original or an earlier owner or something. So our original price is $295. Whoops. Is $295. And then they mark up the price. This is an increase to $340. You can tell it's an increase because it got bigger. Yay. Okay, so our new price is $340. What is this as a percent change? Well, we want to find how much it changes. So it went from $295 up to $340. So the change there is going to be whatever $340 minus $295 is. It's $45, in case you're wondering. And then the original price was $295. So what we're asking here is we're saying, okay, 45 is what percent of $295? You can plug that through your is over of calculator, or you can just divide it. That gives you 0.15, which is equal to 15%. Now we're not quite done. In order to have our answer make sense, let's put it in a complete sentence. We say this markup is a 15% increase. And I think that's pretty reasonable, but we'll see. Okay, so the final idea of the day is, do you get it? Is it worth, which store here is going to give you the better deal? So read through this problem and figure out which store has the better sale. Where should you get your sweater from? So we have two stores. We have Solar Flannel and we have Thread Zeppelin. And they advertise sales on their websites, as shown below. For the sale, each sweater costs $35. Which store has the better deal, and how do you know? So let's look at this and let's find, okay, what is the percent change here? Or what is the final price going to be? So take some time, see what you think, and let's go. All right, so here we're both dealing with decreases. So they have sales, which means our prices are going down. Our original price is $35. So if we head over to Solar Flannel, we're going to calculate this percent decrease by saying, all right, 35 minus 5 over 35 is the same thing as 30 over 35. Because we took our original amount, we're subtracting, oh sorry, that is our change. just kidding, I did this backwards. I lied. We took our original amount and our new price, which is now 30 because that's $5 off. There's our change. Or straight up, if you said, hey, I see that this is $5 off, so that's a $5 change, that's totally fine. We'll allow it. Anyway, this will come out to 14.3% change. Now you can see that this is already less than our cashmere. So we'll want our cashmere price cut because it has a greater discount. That's one approach. Another approach that you could have done is you said, hey, let's see what the final price is going to be here over at Thread Zeppelin. So at Solar Flannel, our final price, if we have $5 off, is going to be a $30 sweater. However, what if you wanted to find, okay, what's 15% off of our cashmere, or what's 15% off from our cashmere sale? Well, we would say, okay, 15% over 100, so 15 of 100 equals X over 35. Solving that gives us 3,500 equals 35 times 15, which comes out to 525. Sorry, I did something wrong. It's 100x. I don't know what I was doing. 100x equals 35 times 15, which is 525. Divide by 100 on both sides, and that gives you a discount of $5.25, which is greater than $5 off. So this is the better deal. Or if you wanted to finally take that and do, okay, what is 35 minus 5.25? Excuse me. That tells you, hey, our final price here is $29.75. So our cashmere is in fact the better deal. You should all head over to Thread Zeppelin, but it's only a 25% difference. So if that's going to be super out of your way, you'll want to go with this guy. Right? Cool. Okay, so when finding percent change, remember that you want to take the change, whatever that is, divide it by your original amount. There are two ways to find change. If you increase, you want to take the new minus the original. If you decrease, you take the original minus the new. Yep, that's everything in a nutshell. Have a wonderful time on your homework.